Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, we'll discuss does always on display on your phone drains the battery. So we'll check with the statistics, okay, not just by simple words. We'll check the inbuilt options and the statistics, and I'll also tell you what can we do in order to reduce battery drain or battery consumption just for this. First of all, this is the Nothing phone, Nothing 4A mobile, which I recently purchased. Along with this, I purchased the compatible CMF by Nothing charger. If you want those details, you can just check in the description. First of all, let me show you the stats. Click on your Android phone settings, then click on the battery here, as we are discussing about the battery usage for the AOD, and click on this battery usage. First of all, this is Nothing 4.1 OS version, okay, battery usage. So I don't want view by apps. I'll filter this by clicking on this drop down and view by systems, and here the most of my battery is by screen time, means as I'm using this for YouTube or Instagram or whatever it may be, that is 46%, voice calls 15%. And if you scroll down, see ambient light. So this you can yes, see this metric, ambient display. This you can consider as always on display, which is less than 1% battery usage since last full charge. So you can consider this like I kept the phone in the full charge like almost 7 hours back, right? And the total amount it consumed is less than 1%. So you can consider, see here, there are two things. These all the always on display metrics are showing in on black and white, so it won't take much of the battery, provided if your always on display has much graphics, much colors, much light, then it will consume the battery. Anyway, by battery usage metrics you can get to know the what is this stats. And this is the Nothing phone, right? This is not just for the look, but I can just get to know the time, date, and the number of steps I have taken today. All the valuable information right from the lock screen without unlocking my mobile. Even without unlocking the mobile, I can get the valuable information on the phone itself. So this is a useful setting for me. In order to reduce the battery usage, what you can do is you can go to this phone settings, then you can click on this customization, then you can under display settings, right? Under display you'll have this AOD, and under AOD you can just schedule this, use this option and keep the timings like 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. or something like that. So it will only work in between those times and your battery won't get consumed much. Anyway, we practically have seen that my battery, especially this phone in this case, is not consuming much battery power for the AOD. So I can happily use this. If you feel this is informative, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.